When it comes to post-construction cleaning, every detail matters. Sparkles. At Simba Cleaning, we understand that a newly completed project is more than just a building. It's a space that needs to be presented at its absolute best. Our experienced team approaches every job with care, precision, and attention to detail.
From removing construction dust and debris to ensuring every corner, surface, and finish is properly cleaned, we deliver results that meet the highest standards. We are meticulous, reliable, and committed to quality because we believe the final clean is what transforms a construction site into a beautiful, move-in ready space. Whether you're a contractor, property manager, or homeowner, trust Simba Cleaning for professional post-construction cleaning you can count on.
Call Simba Cleaning today, 204-793-7268. Email simbamanageproperties@gmail.com. Simba Cleaning, quality cleaning that will make you say, wow.